Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Thank you for watching my video. I am Lia Agustina from 5DA class. In this great opportunity, I would like to tell you about scientific method. So let us begin. First is about the definition of scientific method. The scientific method is a process for experimentation that is used to explore observation and answer the question. So we can say the scientific method is a way to solve problem in an orderly, logical way. And next is steps of scientific method. The steps of the scientific method consist of 7 steps. First is about a question. Ask a question. When we think that we want to know, the scientific method starts when we ask a question about something that we want to observe, and it's also a question that we can measure. After knowing what we want to identify, then we can begin to prepare results. To doing this, we must identify a problem or a question based on observation of the world around us. And the second step is about a research, information about the problem. Find out as much as we can, look for information in a book, on the internet, and by talking with teacher to get the most information you can before you start the experiment. In this step, include fact about the subject, background information that we have read, discussed, or have prior knowledge about it. And third step is about hypothesis. Make a prediction about what will happen. After doing our research, try to predict the answer to the problem. Also, that must be able to test by an experiment. And the next step is about the experiment. In this step, we can test the hypothesis. In this step, plan how we will test our hypothesis. Design a test or procedure to find out if the hypothesis is correct. Write down the experimental procedure step by step in a detail. The experiment should be careful, planned, and controlled. Be consistent, careful, and accurate when we take the measurement. And next is analyze data. Record what happened during the experiment. Once your experiment is complete, collect all measurements and analyze them to see if our data support our hypothesis. Use chart, graph, and picture. No explanation of only observation. And the next step is conclusion. Determine if the hypothesis was correct or not. Review the data and check to see if our hypothesis was correct. A statement of how the result of our experiment relate to our hypothesis. And the next is communicate result. In this step, we can present or start our experiment we did. To finish our experiment, we will need to conduct a final report. Final report can be a detailed journal, science fair board, or science poster. And I think that's all about my explanation about scientific method and the step of scientific method. Thank you for your time to watching my video, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.